To the sea.
Death, men, you've seen him. It's Moby Dick.
They want to know what whaling is, then they'll know by clapping an eye on Captain Ahab. They'll see a man torn apart from crown to heel and spliced back together with sperm whalebone in place of what's missing. His looks tell more than any churchyard sermon about the mortality of man.
And a whale did that?
A whale as big as an island.
Melville spent a lot of time working at sea when he was young. His most famous story, Moby Dick, was inspired by his year-and-a-half-long voyage on the whaling ship Acushnet. It was also influenced by real-world events, like the story of a ship called the Essex. It sank in 1820 when it was attacked by a whale. There was also the 1830s killing of a white sperm whale called Mocha Dick.
Are ye man enough to pitch a harpoon down a live whale's throat, then jump after it?
Well, I am, sir, if it should be absolutely indispensable that I do so.
Well, I'll tell ye this much. There's death in this business, and it can bundle a man quite quickly into eternity. Does that frighten ye?
No, sir, it does not.
It's through Ishmael's words that we learn about all the different crew members and read about Captain Ahab's adventures with Moby Dick.
Ahab is bound, shipmates! Bound! Heart, body and soul! Life and lungs! And ye are all bound with the same oath! Make no mistake!
Ahab has 40 years of whaling experience, but he is a tough captain and a difficult person.
Set sail, Mr. Starbuck. We wasted enough time. Aye, right away, sir.
Ever since he lost a leg to Moby Dick, his goal has been to get revenge.
Aye. It was Moby Dick that tore my soul and body until they bled into each other.
He takes his crew along for the ride, but everyone except Ishmael is dragged down into the depths of the ocean after the captain's final meeting with the whale.
The drama's done. All are departed away. A great shroud of the sea rolls over the Pequod, her crew, and Moby Dick.
Moby Dick is not your average marine mammal. The huge white sperm whale isn't just legendary for its size and colour, but also for its deadly attacks against humans and the harpoons in its side. Though it doesn't appear much in the story, the whale is the novel's centre and Ahab's target for revenge.
And I will chase that white whale round Good Hope and round the Horn, around the Norway maelstrom and perdition's flames before I give him up. This is what you've shipped for, men!
Moby Dick eventually lives up to his reputation and destroys his hunters.
This is what you've shipped for, men. To chase that white whale on both sides of land, and over all sides of earth, till he spouts black blood and rolls dead out. What say ye?
She blows! She blows! Death to the bow, Captain! It's him! The white whale!
Moby Dick's popularity has made it the source of inspiration for books, comic books, songs, stage plays, and more. Two of the most well-known adaptations feature Gregory Peck in different roles. The 1956 film and a 1998 TV miniseries starring Patrick Stewart.